Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by Shana's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to press or print a birthday t-shirt. So here I go, I have my t-shirt sitting out on my table. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press to get all the moisture I can get out of the shirt because moisture is not friends with HTV or any type of printing on your t-shirts. You want to get the moisture out. So that's all I'm doing, getting the moisture out. Once I'm done getting the moisture out of the shirt, I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my shirt out. Once I get it all straightened out, I'm going to be using my t-shirt ruler. Yes guys, I have this t-shirt ruler. I have it in the adult size, the pediatric size, or toddler, whatever they call it. Yeah, I have it in kid size, just say that. So here we go, put my ruler on my t-shirt ruler, and here goes my print. So the HTV is the heat transfer vinyl, so that's what it stands for, heat transfer vinyl. And here I go, I have my image already cut out and weed out. I did not show that part of the tutorial because people often get bored and skip. Now if you would like to see how I created these pieces, then you could go ahead and type a comment in the comment section. I'll see if I could have a video on that for you guys. So we're using two different color HTV vinyl. We're using a white HTV vinyl and we are using our gold HTV vinyl. Okay, so all I'm doing here, I'm just trying to make sure everything lines up nicely on the shirt and make sure it looks nice. And once I get it lined up and everything how I want it to be, and the measurement on both sides is correct, and it's center, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move my ruler. I like to measure. You don't have to measure at the side again guys, but I'm obsessed with measuring. So I'm just measuring to make sure that both sides has this equal measurement. So then I'm going to use my heat press, Cricut Easy Press, at 350 degrees for 15 seconds. I'm just going to hold some pressure, medium pressure, over the HTV vinyl as I apply that to the shirt. Now, just in case you're a beginner and you come up on this video, yes, you can press over the carrier sheet without burning your vinyl. But let's say you're doing layering. That we're going to have another video for about layering. Then you want to make sure you put a Teflon sheet over your image because you will definitely burn your vinyl. But because we're not doing layering, we're just doing that two different color, we just press right over it. Here goes the Teflon sheet. Do you guys notice how I use a Teflon sheet to do a final press? Now you don't have to do this step. I'm obsessed with making sure that my image stick to my shirt because I don't want anybody reach back out to me and say, oh, it didn't stay on, because heat is really the true way of how this vinyl attached to your shirt. It's all with pressure and heat. If you didn't follow the instruction or you don't put enough heat on it, heat is good and it's bad because too much heat will burn your vinyl, and too less heat will not let your image stick to your shirt properly. Look like it stick to the shirt, but after the first 2 wash or so, it start coming up. So here we go. I made a few of these shirts. So here we go. This is just a second one, I'm just showing another one of how I make it, and it's just the same thing I am repeating over and over. So yeah, this is a quick short tutorial of how to make it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the hardest part is really to figure out how to create your font and to weed it out. But HTV is not as hard to weed out as it is to weed out permanent vinyl. So it's it's really easy. So why don't you just go ahead and give it a try if you're watching this coming up. If you come across this video and trying to learn it for the first time, yeah, I mean it's not that bad. Just watch a few more videos. I hope I explain it correctly, and I'm pretty sure this is not the part that you probably want to see, because when I first started this, I mean, we all want to see this part, but we want to figure out how do we make the writing looks like that. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing more videos like these, go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you want to learn, and any question, I do get back as soon as I can to my comment when I can. I try my very best, but yeah, it's not that bad. So if it's your first time here, I want to say thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what you see here today, and if you make it this far throughout this video, well, why not just become a part of the Shana's Home DIY and Craft family. If it's not your first time here, as I always say, thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I couldn't have done it or been this far without you guys. Okay, I appreciate you guys to the moon and back. I love you all. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family, this way they won't miss out. Now guys, I'm also going to have some more videos popping up. After this video, I'm going to have more video or content in my description box below in the iCard, so you can go ahead and check out some other stuff that I do, okay? And if you haven't seen my latest video, why not just go ahead and hit in the description box, check that out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.